Hey, welcome back. This time on Lap of the World, my wife and I are getting ready to head up to NSXPO at Road America in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. And our task today is to pack the car. So our challenge then is to find a way to get all of this into there. And wow, honey, I'm just not sure they're gonna let you on the track like that. There you go. Now you're all set. Okay, and with that, let's get on with packing the car. Let's get the car opened up and I'll take you on a quick tour and show you where we have to store things in a vintage NSX. Okay, well now that I have everything opened up, let's take a quick walk around and we can see where we have to put things. So we'll start with the frunk, such as it is, and we'll begin with a waterproof toolbox. I was lucky enough to find one that would fit in the space provided almost exactly, and it contains enough stuff for me to do casual consumable replacements and minor repairs or troubleshooting. You know, I don't trailer the car, and you can debate the wisdom of that or lack thereof ad nauseum in the comments below. But as such, I want to be able to do anything minor without having to have it towed. But if I can't fix it with what I'm bringing with me, it probably needs a flatbed and a proper shop at any rate. Moving on, the next thing is a small water-resistant duffel bag on top of the toolbox. Contains an electric air pump for tires, some spare brake pads, and a can of Fix-A-Flat just in case. So in the passenger area, I like to carry 2 spare brake rotors tucked up under the seat, 1 lovely wife, and a bag of snacks for the road. Moving on to the trunk, we'll start with a jack and handle, some spare fluids tucked up out of sight on the right-hand side, a bag of my formal wear, driving suit, Hans device, other safety equipment, 2 helmets, a small piece of luggage with clothes and toiletries, the bag of camera equipment, and that leaves just enough room on the rear edge for a torque wrench and an umbrella. That leaves the space behind the driver's seat to accommodate a spare wheel bearing, a small box of electronics, and a modest backpack. Well, there you go. That is about as much stuff as you're going to fit in a vintage NSX. You know, we end up with every nook or cranny of the car full of stuff just about to make sure that we can both have a relaxing vacation as well as a good time out on the track, and get us home in a pinch, hopefully, if it comes to that. But otherwise, I think we're ready to go. We got 10.5 hours ahead of us from Knoxville up to Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin, and seems to be some nice cool weather waiting on us up there. It'll be a nice change from the humidity in Tennessee to 65 degrees and up north. So we're looking forward to that a bit. Otherwise, I think we'll leave it there and check in from the road then next time. So until then,